Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use the exception handling in Python. So I'm going to write one program and I'm going to show you the practical example how we can handle the exceptions here. So first I'm going to just create a simple function. Okay, find adding number I'm going to just use here, and I'm going to just pass two numbers like num1, num2 like this. Okay, now column and just return that num1 plus num2 like this. I need to just call this function. So for that, I'm going to just use a print and just call that function, add number and pass two numbers. So I'm going to just pass 3 plus 2 like this and save this and just run this program. And as you can see, the add display at 5. That is totally correct. Now I'm going to use another character that gives me error in my program. So I'm going to just call the another function. Okay, the same function I'm going to just call 3 times. So I'm going to just use here the a value instead of the numeric. So I'm going to use the character instead of the number. Okay, like suppose a. And another program I'm going to just say again 3 plus 7. So we are calling it 3 times this function. 2 times is correct, but 1 time is have some error. Okay, now let me just run it. How this will work? We just run it and you can see I got the 5, but after the 5, it means this runs successfully, first line, but in the another line, I got the error. See, okay, but in third line, I didn't get any answer for that also, and I got the error, right? So now, whenever you write 1,000 lines of code, and you got some error in the third line or fourth line, and or maybe the 100th line, and all of your 900 line of code will not run. Now, how we can handle this situation? How we can handle the errors? So let me just use it here. So that's the reason we should always use the try catch. Okay. So what I'll do here, I'm going to just use here try. Okay. So like this, then accept exception as E, and I'm going to just send the return as E like this. Okay. Now, wherever I got error, that will catch the error and that will display the error. Okay, let me just run this program. And as you can see here, 5 I got it, but here unsupported operand type as, okay, int and string. It means Python doesn't support like adding the string into the number. Okay, and but the another line of code, you can see 3 plus 7 is 10. It means whenever you write 1,000 of line of code and when you use the try exception, so once you have the error in particular line, still your code will run. Okay, only that particular error code will not run, but your whole 1,000 line of code will run. So this is how we use exception handling in Python. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.